The Brazilian Guaimbé House began as a renovation project for a vacation home designed to accommodate a family during their moments of rest. Originally designed by a female architect in the 1970s, the residence was transformed to meet contemporary demands while preserving its historical essence and receiving structural and aesthetic updates. Initially, the goal was to renovate and update the existing structure. However, as the process unfolded, the architects at Saia Arquitetura realized the need to renew the exterior as well. This ensured not only a visual modernization, but also a complete infrastructure update, including electrical and plumbing systems, along with structural and aesthetic enhancements that gave the house new life. The front area, benefiting from excellent sunlight, was optimized to accommodate a complete leisure space, including a barbecue area, a swimming pool, and a seamless connection with the social rooms and private garden. One of the most significant changes was replacing the original gable roof with two single-pitch parallel roofs. This solution increased the ceiling height in the social area, enhancing comfort, lighting, and ventilation. The existing indoor garden now harmoniously connects to the living and dining rooms and the new kitchen, creating a visual and functional axis that enhances social interaction and natural light. Wood, combined with earthy and rustic tones, adds warmth and reinforces the essence of an authentic beach house. The original private garden was preserved and carefully enhanced, creating a charming visual connection with the master suite while improving circulation throughout the house. This element, along with the other changes, resulted in a final design that perfectly balances functionality, aesthetics, and comfort.